I'm shooting this video to show you my new gadget. So this is a three-way meter. I bought it mainly to see how much water I'm using or how much water is still in the ground to help my fruit trees grow. It's also supposed to measure light and pH, but I'm not interested in the light or the pH, so I'm not too sure how well that works. But I'm just going to show you how it works. Once you stick it in, you have to set it on water. So you have the red here, then the blue, I mean the green and the blue. So if you look at it, you see that it's moist. Okay, so I'm not gonna water this. I'd probably start watering it when it gets closer to the red. Let's go look at another plant. It was kind of neat when I got this because, for example, on this apple tree, so you have some apples here. On the apple tree, this dirt looked dry, but once I stuck this in, it told me it was really moist. I didn't believe it. I put my finger inside, and sure enough, it was moist. Like I can feel the moisture right now. What was also interesting when I used this is that I put it in different areas the first time that I used it. After I had finished watering, I think I had watered the previous day, but I noticed that only some areas had moisture. For example, maybe this side had moisture and this was super dry. And I've been reading about how much to water fruit trees, and it said that you're supposed to thoroughly water a fruit tree, right? And I thought I was doing that, but obviously when I was using this, I realized I wasn't. So it's kind of nice because it kind of helps you change your watering habits. So these plants here get the most sun, okay? And this one here this avocado tree doesn't get a lot of sun, but it's thriving here because it gets a lot of sun in the morning, but not in the afternoon. So here it says that it's kind of dry. No, there it is. Now it's in water. It's on moisture. So now it's really wet, and you can see that once you scratch the surface, you can see that the dirt is moist. I think I watered 2 days ago. Okay, so let's look somewhere else. This same thing, moist. Okay, that's my mandarin tree. Let's see, this one is green, so it's in the middle. They might need water maybe tomorrow or the day after that. And this one here, check this out. It's not a fruit tree, but I'll show you what it reads when it doesn't have water. So I kind of neglect this one because it's not a fruit tree. I shouldn't, but you can see the water level. Obviously you're supposed to clean the prongs. I don't, at least I haven't for this demonstration, but I really like this. It was 10 bucks on Amazon, and it corrected my watering habits. It also gave me an idea of how long the dirt is moist for. That way I get a better idea of how much to water it, when to water it. And we're in the middle of summer, so this is kind of interesting because I thought my trees needed to be watered every day. And I read that if the surface is moist, then it's more likely that the tree is more prone to diseases. It's also better if you water it less often because the root system develops more maturely, which means you would have to water less often. I do want to change this out so it could be a bigger bucket and my apple tree can grow a little bigger. But look, I'm so happy it has these apples here. It'd be so good. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video.